So we come over to our desktop, then we create a new folder. Let's call it new folder, call it our, okay, call it my bootstrap course. Okay, so my bootstrap course. Open the folder, then we create another folder. We call it images. Images, that if we have any images at all. Okay, then we close that. Then the next thing we want to do is load up our Visual Studios. Okay, so click on files, click on open folder, and then click on my bootstrap course. Then open. Okay, so here we go. And then the next thing we have to do is create our index.html. So that's our index.html. Next thing we have to do is bring up our boilerplate. Okay, so how to do that? Exclamation mark, then enter. Subsequently, you could also do the doc, then enter to bring up the boilerplate. Okay, so now that we are done, we change this from document to bootstrap 5. Okay, and that's cool. Then here we start up with our h1 that says my bootstrap crash. My bootstrap crash course. My bootstrap course. Okay, this works. Okay, so we load it up with, we open with lifesaver. So if you don't have lifesaver on your system, all you have to do is extensions. You click on extensions, then you click here, and then you search for lifesaver. Then to pop up here, then you click on this install, and it will install lifesaver. I already have it on my system, and that works cool for me. Okay, so we'll have something like this on our own screen. We'll have something like this on our, so you head over to bootstrap, get bootstrap.com. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is we have to include bootstrap into our website, and the most effective way we are going to do that is by including it via the CDN. And how we are going to do that, so once you come over to getbootstrap.com, you scroll down, then you come over here to get CDN. Once you are here in the get CDN section, all you have to do is you get the CSS, you copy the CSS, then you copy the JavaScript. So first of all, we are going to copy the CSS. We copy it, then we paste it at the head section of our website. Okay, okay, and that is that for that. Then the next thing we have to do is we have to copy the JavaScript. So we copy it from here, then we paste it immediately before the closing tag for the body, then we paste it there. Okay, so once we are done with that, okay, so that is that. So we can head over here, and then we can say something like, we use the anchor tag, then we give it a class of btn, then we say btn primary. Okay, let me say my boat, then we save that. Okay, so you see the color, it gives us a style of a button, compared to if we are creating this anchor tag without this class name. So we'll have something like this. So this shows that the CDN we copied from the getbootstrap.com into our index.html is actually working. So this is how you can actually link the CDNs into your index.html using the links provided for you on the getbootstrap.com website.